Hi everyone, I'm Michael Williamson. I'm the founder and CEO of TechGrowth Insights, and today I want to share with you the 16 modern voice of customer best practices that every B2B technology and telecoms company should be implementing to drive growth and stay ahead of the competition. And I've seen firsthand how customer insights can make or break a company. And that's why I'm so passionate about helping businesses like yours harness the power of customer feedback to foster stronger connections, elevate satisfaction, and drive a customer-centric culture. So anyway, let's dive into these 16 best practices. So firstly, number one, let NPS lead the way. So Net Promoter Score is the gold standard for measuring customer sentiment in B2B. It's simple, short, and gives you a clear picture of where you stand with your customers. Secondly, optimize your response rates. The more customers who respond to your surveys, the more accurate your data will be. So aim for a response rate of at least 20% and use techniques like keeping surveys short and closing the loop to encourage participation. Number three, boost signal from customer accounts. So in B2B, it's not just about the number of responses, but also the range of people within each account. So survey individuals across different touch points to get a well-rounded view. Number four is to make surveying more frequent. Quarterly surveys are the sweet spot for engagement without becoming a nuisance. More frequent surveys lead to higher retention rates. Number five, combine relationship and transactional surveys. So use both types to get a broad sense of your customer relationship and targeted insights into specific sentiment drivers. Number six is to improve your revenue coverage. Focus on collecting feedback from 80% of your revenue base each quarter. This ensures you're getting insights from your most valuable customers. Number seven is to close the loop on all feedback as fast as you can. Aim to respond to every account within 48 hours. The faster you close the loop, the more positive impact it will have on your NPS score. Number eight is to get all levels involved within closing the loop, from frontline staff to C-suite executives. Everyone should be engaged in responding to and acting on customer feedback. Number nine is to set voice of customer targets for closing the loop. Having clear targets for both speed and coverage will improve your performance and NPS score. Number 10 is to begin by measuring retention. Knowing your current retention rate is crucial for benchmarking and monitoring future growth. Number 11 is to understand the financial impact of voice of customer drivers. Attribute a financial value to each driver of positive or negative feedback to see where you need to focus your efforts. Number 12, drive referrals and upsells with your experience program. Identify happy customer accounts and activate a referral and upsell engine to directly impact your bottom line. Number 13 is to calculate your voice of customer ROI. Linking referrals, resales, and more to your CX program will help you improve the value you're bringing into the business. Number 14, align your voice of customer program with company strategy. Bringing voice of company and company strategy together increases buy-in and ultimately improves your NPS score. Number 15 is to share results across your organization. Making customer feedback accessible to everyone in real time ensures quicker responses and better NPS performance. And number 16, establish a core voice of customer team and get them certified. Investing in a dedicated skilled team is crucial for the success of your customer experience efforts. The key to all of this is undertaking primary qualitative research among your ideal customer profiles. This allows you to dig deep into their needs, preferences, and pain points and tailor your products, services, and experiences accordingly. That's why at TechGrowth Insights we specialize in bringing customer market insights to B2B technology and telecoms firms. Our team of experts can help you design and execute a voice of customer program that delivers real results. So if you want to learn more about how to conduct a customer experience audit and start harnessing the power of customer insights, I put together a free leader's guide with a 5-point step methodology. Just click the link in the description to download it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, it really does help, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future content. And together, let's make customer centricity the driving force behind your company's growth and success. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.